Today's news, 10th July 2020. Good morning. You are listening to Khushbu, your news anchor from La Farah News. Here we bring you all the updated news from around the world. Priyanka Gandhi demands CBI probe to ascertain facts about grant of protection to gangster Vikas Dubey. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra demanded a CBI probe on Thursday to ascertain the facts about the grant of protection to gangster Vikas Dubey. She also accused the BJP government in Uttar Pradesh of complete failure in the handling the Kanpur ambush case and arresting Dubey, the main accused who fled the state and was arrested from Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh on Thursday morning. The chain of events in the case exposed the chinks in security and hinted at collusion, Priyanka Gandhi said. Right now, Vikas Dubey is in SP, says mother. Party denies claim, reports PTI. Gangster Vikas Dubey's mother, Sarla Devi, on Thursday said that her son, arrested for the Kanpur ambush, is with SP, a claim denied by the party. At this time, he is not in the BJP. He is with SP, she told reporters. Meanwhile, an SP spokesman said Vikas is not member of a party and strict action should be taken against him. His call record details should be made public to expose his links, added the party spokesperson. Gangster Vikas Dubey to be brought to UP on transit remand, police. After the arrest of gangster Vikas Dubey, wanted in connection with the Kanpur ambush in which 8 policemen were killed in Madhya Pradesh, Ujjain on Thursday. The Uttar Pradesh police said he would be brought on the state on transit remand. Dubey will be brought to the state on transit remand. Our campaign against all those involved in the Kanpur case will continue till not even a single member of the Dubey gang is left, ADG Law and Order Prashant Kumar said. Strict punishment will be ensured against Dubey, he added. A high tide of 4.26 meters expected at around 3:02 pm in Mumbai today, BMC. Jammu and Kashmir, Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha workers protest outside Jammu Press Club against the killing of party's former district president Wasim Bari in Bandipora by terrorists. Wasim's brother and father also lost their lives in yesterday's terrorist attack. Hundreds of people had to leave their homes in a coastal France city to allow explosive experts to deal with a 500-kilogram bomb from World War II. Nvidia eclipses Intel as most valuable US chipmaker. A Russian bid to get the UN to reduce cross-border humanitarian aid to Syria was voted down by the Security Council, an official said. Google shut down cloud project, says no plan to offer cloud services in China, Reuters. I, Khushbu, will come with new updated news tomorrow.